We have a double sailfish.
Or maybe even, wow.
Oh my God, Todd's is way out there.
Oh, wow.
Double sail. Is this a 3?
You have 3 on? Way to go, guys. That's so hard to figure out.
Are there 3 fish on?
I think there's 2, baby. Look,
Jim, it's you.
see? Yeah. Thanks.
Lisa, hold this while I get the belt for him. Thank you. Here.
Go ahead. He's way up there, too. Way out there. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good job. Double sailfish, Jim and Todd. Double sail.
Double sail.
Double sail.
Heidi.
I know.
And Todd.
Okay, no tango?
I don't think so.
Jim and Todd, double sail.
Unless it's in the middle.
So funny, yeah.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
Watch the lines. I see them.
Yeah, I think they're tangled. Maybe not.
You figure out which is over. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm over Jim, yeah. I'm this way.
Alright, we'll go that way. Sounds like a plan.
All right, guys.
Go. I'll just stay over here.
Jim and Todd, double sail.
Right, the line side. Come on.
You can do it.
Sorry.
Hey, Jim, it looks like you're back under again.
Should be alright. Yeah, I think I might have to go.
Jim, you're back over.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think I'm okay for right now.
All right.
Jim, watch when Todd brings you back. Oh my gosh, he's got one on too.
Is it 3? Okay.
Is that one right there? Oh, that's Jim's.
Okay.
Guys, more closer.
Because Jim's is closer, right?
Yeah. Here's his is a mile away. Hey, you want to go to the other side of the boat, or are you okay with where I am at? Good?
Cap, is Jim good where he is?
Going to move? Oh, he's good. Good. You got it. Thank you. Leader's almost here.
Wow.
Here he is.
You eat both baits? Yeah.
Oh, I think so. It's tango.
Oh, is it tangled?
Yeah.
We have leader on Jim. All right, Jim's is here. I'm gonna come around this way. Stay out of the way.
You might be able to get some underwater.
There we go. Caught fish.
Fish, leader on.
There you go. Jim's fish, first one in. Nice. That's tangled up with the other line. Yep. Oh, look at the color. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Well done, hon.
Thank you, sweetheart.